next problem. How many moles of gas are in a 30-liter scuba canister if the temperature of the canister is 300 degrees Kelvin, or not degrees Kelvin, just Kelvin, and the pressure is 200 atmospheres? So this is a compressed gas cylinder, it sounds like. So let's go through and label the variables we're given. We're looking for moles, which is N, the number of moles. We are given a volume in liters. We are given a temperature in Kelvin, and we are given a pressure in atmospheres. We always know R. Ooh, excuse me. And so again, PV equals nRT. So I think this is the last PV equals nRT problem we have on the review. So we're going to use that equation. And it says how many moles of gas. So we're solving for N. We're looking for N. So I'm going to isolate N. I'm going to rearrange the equation to get N, the variable for moles, by itself. So divide both sides of the equation by R and T. R and T cancel out on the right side. So N equals PV divided by R times T. Alright, last thing we need to make sure of, write out the value of R and the units as we've been doing the past couple problems. Liters times ATM over moles times Kelvin. Do we have liters, ATM, and Kelvin? We know we're looking for moles. We have liters, check. We have ATM, atmospheres, check. And look, we have Kelvin this time. We don't have to do a temperature conversion. So all the units match. Now we can just plug these numbers in to the equation. So number of moles, which is N, equals pressure, which is 200 ATM, times volume, which is 30 liters, that's the top part, divided by R, which is 0.0821 liters, times ATM divided by moles times Kelvin, and then we'll multiply that by 300 Kelvin. Always make sure units work out. Kelvin on bottom and Kelvin on bottom of bottom, so those cancel. ATM on top, ATM on bottom, liters, liters. We're left with 1 over 1 over moles, which is equal to moles. Okay, so now we just do the math. $200 times 30 6,000. The bottom part, 0.0821 times 300, 24.63. Final answer should give you 243.61, and units are moles. Okay, that's a lot of moles. Alright, I think that's it for that one. So we will move on.